the melting of polar ice, rising temperature, and extreme weather. This would have such a huge impact for the Earth because global warming will happen faster than we think. Ladies and gentlemen, the Earth is warming up, and humans are at least partially to blame. The causes, effects, and complexities of global warming are important to understand. And this is the reasons why I should deliver my speech about global warming. Honorable judges and respected audience, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say grateful to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because we capable to get together without any obstacle. Secondly, praise and salutation always be reciting to our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness into the lightness era that we live in today. And last but not least, I would like to thank the judges and the entire committee for giving me this very special opportunity to compete in this contest. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Dian, and I'm from Polytechnic of Semarang. Standing here to deliver my speech about global warming. Yeah, global warming. I strongly believe that all of us often hear about global warming. But actually, do we know what global warming is? Is it something good or dangerous? Okay, let's discuss. Global warming. That word is everywhere at the moment. Television, podcasts, conferences, you name it. But what exactly is it? Global warming has currently become a major threat to the mankind. Global warming is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. And this is caused by greenhouse effect, which is caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other pollutants. Now, we already know what global warming is, but what exactly is the cause of global warming? Global warming mainly caused by oil and gas, deforestation, transport and vehicle, and industrialization that is caused by human activity. Okay, I will explain you one by one. 1. Oil and gas. Oil and gas are used all the time and most used in vehicle, buildings, projection, and electricity. When coal, oil, and gas are produced, they will cause climate problem. 2. Deforestation. Deforestation makes trees and forests bare, so it can produce emissions because the trees are cut down and will release carbon. 3. Transport and vehicle. Burning fossil fuels in transportation and vehicle can release carbon and other pollutants into the atmosphere. So, transportation and vehicle are partly responsible as the cause for greenhouse gases. 4. Industrialization. Industrialization is harmful, ladies and gentlemen. The chemical and waste can pollute the atmosphere and trigger greenhouse effect. So, what are the effects of global warming? There are many other impacts caused by global warming. First, temperature getting hotter. This can affect human health and spread of disease. Second, with increasing rainfall, waterborne diseases tend to spread, such as diarrhea, typhoid fever, hepatitis A, etc. And last, the scariest thing is this can increase the number of deaths because of stroke, dehydration, and stress. Global warming can also cause polar ice to melt. This means that more rainwater doesn't evaporate, so it can absorb pollutant. Therefore, the water supply for drinking is contaminated. Then, what we can do? Now I'm going to share you the 3 ways to prevent and stop global warming. The first one, keeping the environment by planting trees and starting to be aware of the environment by successing 1% 1 trees program. The second one, taking real action, ladies and gentlemen, like use of public transportation and bicycle, reducing the use of paper, tissue, and plastic, and sorting organic and non-organic waste. And last, increase energy efficiency through wind and solar power and also high efficiency natural gas generation. Once again, I remind you to stop producing carbon dioxide, controlling the use of oil, coal, and gas, inhibiting cutting plants and keeping the environment by planting trees, and don't forget to minimizing the use of electricity. From small changes in everyone's life, ladies and gentlemen, we can stop the changes in the atmosphere by lessening the effect of global warming. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a big role. If not us, then who? If not now, then when? Global warming has to stop. This has to stop. It's time for us to take care of our planet because remember, there is no planet B. I'm Dian Rakhmawati from Polytechnic of Semarang. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.